NotebookLM is a Google AI-powered research assistant that helps users summarize, analyze, and organize information. While it doesn't directly offer monetization, you can leverage it in multiple ways to make money. Sell AI-enhanced research and reports. Use NotebookLM to summarize books, articles, and research papers quickly. Offer these summaries as paid reports on platforms like Gumroad, Fiverr, or Upwork. Businesses and students need concise, well-structured reports. You can charge for this service. Write and sell ebooks. Use NotebookLM to gather research for writing ebooks faster. Publish ebooks on Amazon Kindle, Gumroad, or your own website. Sell AI-generated summaries of popular topics as premium content. Content creation and blogging. Use NotebookLM to generate blog post outlines and research efficiently. Monetize your blog through ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsored posts. Offer a paid newsletter with curated insights based on AI research. Freelance writing and consulting. Offer AI-assisted writing services on Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. Businesses and startups need market research, summaries, and AI-enhanced content.